go? Are you looking at Mama's yard? Did you notice what I noticed? Look at my crepe myrtle. See those pink blooms? Look at how big they are. Oh my gosh. This is why I moved to the Carolinas. When I saw these trees, I was like, what the frick? Look at those clusters of cotton candy colored flowers that are frickin' gigantuous. So this is just the beginning of it blooming. It's going to bloom like crazy. Actually, I haven't been watering it. The more water you give it, the better. Yeah, why does that just get me so excited? Look at those blooms. I don't know, but that is just awesome. And then look at my pink flowers right there. Oh my gosh, I could just... Right, Pink? Say we're just in love with the yard. Yeah, we're just gonna sit here and have our coffee and sniff. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. A wonderful Saturday morning, surrounded by pink flowers and green trees, and two beautiful doggies that are so unconditionally loving to everybody they meet. So I stopped watching the news, I think, a year and a half ago. Oh my goodness, look, a hummingbird is on my thing. A hummingbird. Yeah, I stopped watching the news and started to talk to my dogs instead every morning. And my life has gotten so much better. I figure if I can't touch the person with my hands by driving, within, an hour, they're pretty much not in my life for a reason. And any other person outside of my physical realm, I just don't need to be bothered with, I don't need to know the stuff I can't control. I can only control my reality, what I see with my eyes, and what I see is really fucking beautiful. I can focus on that, or I can focus on the news. And I choose this reality because it's heaven to me. So I hope you do too.